Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna see how to send your location on Google Maps. Firstly, open the Google Maps app on your Android or iOS device. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Location Sharing. Tap New Share and choose how long you want to share your location, 15 minutes up to 24 hours, or until you turn this off, which is for ongoing sharing. Now pick the person or persons you want to share with, or select an app to send the location link to. Then tap Share. If you want to share via link, instead of choosing a contact, tap an app like Messages, WhatsApp, or tap Copy to Clipboard. Pass the link anywhere, email, text, or another app. Anyone with the link can view real-time location until the time runs out, or you manually turn it off. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.